Hey everyone, this is Dhruv Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today I am telling you about the top features on the OnePlus 9 Pro. Starting with arguably the biggest feature on the OnePlus 9 Pro, that is the Hasselblad camera setup. There is a main 48 megapixel camera with laser autofocus which helps you click images quickly. The camera also features optical image stabilization, so you can record videos without worrying about the footage being shaky. Then there is an 8 megapixel telephoto camera with optical image stabilization and 3.3x optical zoom. That means you can comfortably click pictures of the subjects that might be far off. Then there is a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor to cover more room, and finally there is a 2 megapixel monochrome sensor. The main camera can shoot 8K videos at 30 fps and 4K videos at 30, 60 and 120 fps. The camera also supports auto HDR. On the front we have a 16 megapixel shooter that can shoot 1080p videos at 30 fps. You get a 4500 mAh battery on the OnePlus 9 Pro that supports 65 watt warp charging. OnePlus claims that the smartphone can charge from 1 to 100% in just 29 minutes, which if true will save a lot of time. The smartphone also supports fast wireless charging of up to 50 watts. OnePlus 9 Pro is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G processor. The most powerful processor for Qualcomm, this chipset can run any and every app you throw at it and is very efficient for gaming. This also enables the smartphone to be 5G ready. You get a 6.7-inch LTPO Fluid AMOLED screen on the OnePlus 9 Pro. The screen supports HDR10+ and has a peak brightness of 1300 nits, which means it can retain more detail and better black levels. This does result in great experience while watching content. The screen is also great for gaming since it supports a max refresh rate of 120Hz. Also, a quick note about the software. The OnePlus 9 Pro runs on latest Android 11 out of the box combined together with OnePlus's own Oxygen OS.